Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Georgilyn Lucero. I am 27 years old, single from Ordoneta City, Pangasinan. My educational attainment is high school graduate, and my hobbies are cooking and singing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for almost 6 years, and I have served 3 members of the family, including 1 children, ages of 6. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of kids, preparing and cooking meal, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, and many more. And also have lots of experience taking care of newborn baby, toddler, or children. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for family needs. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking human. And I promise to all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.